Ava, what happened?
So there was a bird cause there's a bird nest outside.
Let's go show the nest.
She's in here. Whatever you use, yours. And then the bird died, and then I was crying. So we're gonna bury it in our backyard.
So let's see where the nest is.
If it's a she or a he, the mom is still up there.
We have a mama dove in her nest, so I'm hoping that there's more eggs in there.
The baby bird is in here. The baby bird is in here.
Let's look at the box. So Ava named her Angel.
To Angel from Ava, Addison, Mom, Dad, period.
And we're gonna go in our backyard and we'll go ahead and gonna take a look at the messy house. And we're going to bury Angel and return her to the earth.
Yes. And then she can stay in our backyard forever unless we carry her back to her mama.
And she'll always be part of our family.
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy's already out there burying. I think you have to unlock the door and then we'll... How are you guys feeling about this?
Good. I'm feeling sad and good. I'm believing.
No, it's still, that thing's down.
Up. Put it up.
All right, girls, go ahead.
I feel like it's gonna work. If you don't feel like it's gonna work, then it's definitely not gonna work. So
Well,
I feel like it's gonna work.
I feel like it's gonna work too. And there's Daddy. Oh, he's digging a hole by the lake, which is such a nice place. Here we go.
I do not like that.
I know, but you're feeding the brave wolf. Okay. Okay. Hi, Danny Daddy. We
Look, there's a duck.
are placing Angel. Oh, we have some guests coming to the funeral. We have one guest there. And
Nice and straight. Okay.
we're gonna put Angel in the earth.
Good job.
Ava, can you give her a kiss for me? Stay here. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Addison.
Can we say a little prayer?
Okay.
I believe that it's gonna be alive and I hope it does.
Yeah, its spirit can be transferred to another body, either a bird body or perhaps a human body. Who knows?
A duck friend.
Yeah,
duck
look at that.
friend.
Oh, with the feathers sticking up. See,
That's a
a
good
nice
sign.
live animal to lift our spirits. Oh, Addison, get up here, honey.
That's okay.
It's okay.
It's just water. Good job. It's
It's
okay. Hey. Okay.
We know how to swim, but we're gonna stay up here. We're gonna go wash your little feet.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
everybody,
We love you,
take
Angel.
a little bit of black dirt. Okay, and put it on top.
We love you, sweet bird.
I don't want to touch the back door.
Okay.
I don't like
Here,
that.
just one little tiny piece.
You don't have to.
One little tiny piece. Here,
Ava did.
just push it off my finger and onto there. Just push it
I'll
off.
do it for you, Addie.
Hold mommy's hand while she does it, and you don't have to touch it. You just hold mommy's hand. Okay.
Okay.
I was friends.
Okay.
Okay. And
We
now,
love you, Angel. And you'll always be in our family.
Yes, you will.
And you'll be our angel watching over us from our backyard.
and this grass will grow together with the grass around it, and Angel will forever be a part of our home.
Okay.
All right.
Anyone have anything else to say?
No.
Addison?
I want you to know I'm proud of all three of you. This was a good idea, and we're blessed to have Angel's mommy. What's Angel's mommy's name? Dovely. How about that, Dovely?
Yeah.
Because it's a dove and she's lovely. So we're happy and glad to have Angel's mommy, Dovely, living above our front door.
And I think it was my idea to bury it.
You think what?
That was my idea to
Gabe's
bury
like,
a
what
great
is
idea.
going on over there? Hi, Gabe.
You guys having a funeral?
Yes.
Oh, who died?
Angel, one of the birds from the nest outside our front door.
Maybe it had rabies. There's a rabies outbreak.
Don't listen to Gabe. Okay, we're signing off.
God bless everyone, everything.
We love
the
you,
soul
God.
of
We
Angel.
believe in you. Amen.